Yo! There's some things I gotta get off my chest. Now that that's over with, what's up, you know what I'm saying? Look, I'm in Still Buck, you know, the Crump Crew from Pittsburgh, and I'm having this gospel explosion with my uncle at New Grace Missionary Baptist Church. It's gonna be straight ministry, you know what I'm saying? Straight ministry of the arts. Rapping, singing, dancing, crumping. We need anybody from anywhere. Just come out and perform, you know what I'm saying? All for ministry, all for God. And, if you want to be in it, let me know, you know what I'm saying? I'll give the list to my uncle. We'll settle everything out. I just need a list by at least of December so we could get this promo started, you know what I'm saying? Promo videos and everything, flyers, everything. We want this to be big, huge, you know what I'm saying? I hope everybody's Thanksgiving was wonderful, because mine was. Hit the inbox, comment, like, whatever you want to do. Just know and think about this. Please hit me up or anything. Peace. Good night.
The Still Zoo.